pare-pareho lamang. Pare-pareho na pinagdadaan ng problema, pare-pareho na mga pangarap. And of course, dahil ito nga, pinag-uusapan natin ng kwento, I would like to invite everyone to please support our play. It's called Choosing. It will be on June 29, 13, July 6 and 7 at the Power Mac Spotlight at Circuit Academy.
Choosing is a story of our community. Direpresenta po nito yung mga relationships, no, na nag-aalaw sa atin na malaman kung ano ang mga choices na ginagawa natin sa buhay to celebrate who we are. This is based on our story and also a collection of LGBT stories that have been shared with us through the years. Kaya after 11 years, Ice and I decided na sana through this play, mas makarelate ko yung mga tao at mas maintindihan po nila yung pinagdadaanan nating lahat at pinagdadaanan po ng komunidad natin.
And we're actually very blessed. Sino dito mga cute citizens? Sigaw nga lahat ng cute citizens! Napakaswerte natin na nandito tayo sa Quezon City nakatira. Bakit?
Meron na po ba kayong mga right to care card? Wala pa po? Sino po ang meron ng right to care card? Ayan. So, this is an opportunity po para i-share sa inyong lahat na napasa na po as bilang isang ordinansa ang right to care card. Ano po ba ito? Ito po ay